December 10, 2024 T20 match between Pakistan and South Africa. South Africa secured a victory by 11 runs. Batting first, South Africa posted a total of 183 ninths, powered by David Miller's brilliant 82 off 40 balls and George Lind's quick 48 off 24 balls. For Pakistan, Shaheen Afridi and Abrar Ahmed both took 3 wickets each, chasing 184. Pakistan ended their innings at 172 eighths in 20 overs. Mohammad Rizwan played a fighting knock of 74 runs, but it wasn't enough as George Lind's stellar bowling performance, 421sts, ensured South Africa's win. Before starting the highlight, my kind request all of you to like and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here are the highlights of South Africa battings. 0 to 6.0 overs, power play. 0.3, Shaheen Afridi to Van der Dussen, out. Bowled, full and outside off, thick inside edge crashes into the stumps. Van der Dussen b Shaheen Afridi 0-1. 1.2, Abrar Ahmed to Breetzky, 6. Floated up full on off, Breetzky leans in and dispatches it into the crowd over deep mid-wicket. 1.3, Abrar Ahmed to Breetzky, out. Half-tracker slashed straight to backward point. Breetzky C Sam Ayub b Abrar Ahmed 8-5. 2.0, Abrar Ahmed to Reza Hendricks, 4. Shot and punished to the cow corner boundary. 2.1, Shaheen Afridi to Miller, 4. Full and on the pads, Miller whips it to deep mid-wicket. 2.2, Shaheen Afridi to Miller, 4. Length ball punched elegantly through covers. 3.4, Abrar Ahmed to Reza Hendricks, out. Google through the gate. Reza Hendricks b Abrar Ahmed 8-9. 4.1, Haris Rauf to Miller, 4. Overpitched, Miller creams it back down the ground. 5.3, Abbas Afridi to Klaasen, 6. Just short of length, Klaasen effortlessly pulls over square leg. 6.5, Haris Rauf to Miller, 6. Miller anticipates and lofts the slower ball over long off. 7. 0 to 12.0 overs, middle overs. 7.2, Sufyan Mukim to Miller, 6. Miller slog sweeps were these over square leg. 7.4, Sufyan Mukim to Miller, 6. Lofted beautifully over extra cover. 8.3, Abbas Afridi to Klaasen, out. Klaasen mistimes to deep mid-wicket. Klaasen C Irfan Khan b Abbas Afridi 12-13. 9.3, Abrar Ahmed to Miller, 6. Floated full, Miller swipes it over deep square leg. 9.4, Abrar Ahmed to Miller, 6. Brings up his 50 with a lofted shot over long off. 9.5, Abrar Ahmed to Miller, 6. In the slot, driven over the side screen. 11.1, Abbas Afridi to Ferreira, out. Clipped straight to short fine leg. Ferreira C Sufyan Mukim b Abbas Afridi 7-6. 12.2, Sufyan Mukim to Lind, 4. Reverse sweeps over backward point. 13. 0 to 20.0 overs, death overs. 13.5, Shaheen Afridi to Miller, out. Flat to deep mid-wicket. Miller C Irfan Khan b Shaheen Afridi 82-40. 14.3, Abrar Ahmed to Simalain, out. Stumped after being bamboozled. Simalain Saint Rizwan b Abrar Ahmed 1-4. 16.2, Sufyan Mukim to Lind, 4. Crisp reverse sweep again. 18.5, Haris Rauf to Lind, 4. Edged past short third man. 19.2, Sufyan Mukim to Lind, 6. Slog swept into the gap at mid-wicket. 19.3, Sufyan Mukim to Lind, 6. Clears long on with a downtown smash. 19.5, Sufyan Mukim to Lind, 6. Lofted cleanly over long off. 19.6, Sufyan Mukim to Lind, out. Top edge caught at deep mid-wicket. Lind C Irfan Khan b Sufyan Mukim 48-24. Pakistan's batting highlights. 0.1, Quaina Mafika to Babar Azam, no run. South Africa loser review. Shot of length around leg, brushed the thigh pad, no bat involved. 0.3, Quaina Mafika to Rizwan, leg buys, FOUR. 2 straight, deflects off the thigh pad and races past short fine leg. 0.4, Quaina Mafika to Rizwan, FOUR. Foolish with width, Rizwan opens the face and drives square. 1.1, Otnail Batman to Rizwan, leg buys, FOUR. Down leg, brushes the pad, beats Klaasen. 1.4, Otnail Batman to Rizwan, 1 run. Miscommunication leaves Babar stranded, direct hit missed. 2.3, Quena Mafika to Babar Azam, out. Caught by Simulane. Shot. Babar's uppercut miscues to third man. Babar Azam C. Simulane B. Mafika 0-4. 3.4, Simulane to Sam Ayub, FOUR. Strays down leg, Ayub pulls it behind square. 3.5, Simulane to Sam Ayub, FOUR. High full toss outside off, Ayub drills through cover. 3.6, Simulane to Sam Ayub, FOUR. Short and wide, slashed over infield. 4.1, Otnail Batman to Rizwan, FOUR. Charges down, converts length, drives straight. 4.5, Otnail Batman to Sam Ayub, FOUR. Straight down the ground with perfect timing. 5.2, Kabayomzi Peter to Sam Ayub, FOUR. Shot, cracked in front of square. 5.5, Kabayomzi Peter to Sam Ayub, FOUR. Shot again, Ayub swivels and pulls behind square. 6.3, Simulane to Sam Ayub, out. Caught by Britsky. Punch to sweeper is mistimed. Sam Ayub C. Britsky B. Simulane 31-15. 6.4, Simulane to Usman Khan, FOUR. Poor line, Usman glances it fine. 8.4, Kabayomzi Peter to Usman Khan, dropped. Mistimed loft towards long off, Ferreira fails. 9.3, Lin to Usman Khan, out. Caught by Riza Hendricks. Slog sweep skies up. Usman Khan C. Riza Hendricks B. Lind 9-8. 10.3, Kabayomzi Peter to Rizwan, 3 runs. Misfield in a lost review on the appeal for a glove. 11.4, Lind to Tayyib Tahir, SIX. Sits down and slog sweeps deep into mid-wicket. 12.4, Simulane to Tayyib Tahir, FOUR. Full, driven over extra cover. 14.4, Otnail Batman to Tayyib Tahir, out. Caught by Ferreira. Flat bat hit straight to long on. Tayyib Tahir C. Ferreira B. Batman 18-18. 15.1, Simulane to Rizwan, SIX. Full on leg, whipped over deep square. 16.2, Quena Mafika to Shaheen Afridi, FOUR. Low full toss, sliced through square. 16.4, Quena Mafika to Rizwan, SIX. Brings up his 50 with a lofted hit. 16.5, Quena Mafika to Rizwan, no ball, 2 runs. Run out chances missed twice, free hit next. 17.2, Lind to Shaheen Afridi, wide, out. Stumped by Klasen. Afridi overbalances as he misses. Shaheen Afridi Saint Klasen B. Lind 9-6. 17.4, Lind to Irfan Khan, out. Caught by Britsky. Loft towards long off misjudged. Irfan Khan C. Britsky B. Lind 1-2. 17.5, Lind to Abbas Afridi, out. LBW. Arm ball traps Implum in front. Abbas Afridi LBW B. Lind 0-1. 18.3, Otnail Batman to Rizwan, FOUR. Pulls short ball, 1 bounce over mid-wicket. 18.5, Otnail Batman to Rizwan, FOUR. Full in the slot, straight driven. 19.4, Quena Mafika to Rizwan, out. Caught by Kabayomzi Peter. Pull against the angle top edges. Rizwan C. Peter B. Mafika 74-62. So South Africa won by 11 runs. So finally I remind you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.